Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely fantastic day. Thank you again for being here and taking the time to watch my videos. I do truly appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join us. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like the video and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. As you can see, we do have a new subscription to unbox, and that is the December 2018 Good Being box. For those of you not that familiar, Good Being is it's like a natural and organic health and beauty skincare box. It is $24.95 a month. You receive like 5-ish products, and sometimes they can be full size, which is awesome. And what I really like about it too is when your box is being curated, you actually will receive an email and it will give you the option to select a couple of items. So that I think is really awesome that you get to customize. And this box was very kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys, so I cannot wait to open it. I honestly do not remember what I chose, so it's gonna all be a surprise for me. So let's go ahead and get our box cutter. We're gonna dive in here and take a look. I will make sure to leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. All right, so this is what it looks like when we open it. It says, "It's not too late. Digital gifts rock. Good Being gift memberships can be emailed any day, aka Christmas morning. Plus, Good Being members receive 20% off all gift memberships automatically. Give generously." That's awesome. And then on the back, it looks like we have a bunch of different codes for probably some of the different products that were in this month's box, where you can receive discounts. So that is great. All right, and then what I like here is you get these cards. So looks like we have 5 products in this box, and it tells you about each product, and it tells you the retail value of each item, and if it's not a full size, it tells you the value of the item you received. I think that is awesome. So we are going to start. We're just going to go with what is on top. This is right here. This is Ursa Major. It says Hoppin' Fresh deodorant, 100% naturally derived with mint and eucalyptus. Let's see. It smells really good. It doesn't have your normal deodorant smell, but it smells really good. Let's see. Hoppin' Fresh deodorant, full size, is 2.6 ounces and is $18. This award-winning natural deodorant eliminates underarm odor while absorbing excess moisture and soothing sensitive skin. Its reliable performance, healthy ingredients, and invigorating aroma will keep you fresh all day long. Contains royal jelly. So like I said, full size would be 2.6 ounces at $18. This is 1.65 fluid ounces. It says value of product provided is $12.50. So that right there is like half the price of the box. So let's see. Okay, I remember picking this. This is, I'm not sure if I'm going to say it correctly. Jivi, Jivi body butter, and it says infused with magnesium, and it's in the scent chocolate. Full size is 4 ounces and it's $18. Magnesium body butter. Getting buttered up feels pretty good, especially when it happens naturally. This body butter penetrates deep, leaving skin soft and silky. Plus, it's supplemented with magnesium to relax muscles for a good night's sleep. Available in chocolate or La Paloma, and this is vegan. And this is the full size, so this is $18. Oh my gosh. It smells like chocolate, but not in like it legit smells like chocolate. Like in a good way. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, that smells good. But not like fake chocolate. Like that smells really good. All right, our next product is from Michelle Dermaceuticals. Exfoliators and mask, incredible pumpkin peel, pumpkin puree and pumpkin wine, purify and retexturize. Incredible pumpkin peel. This is what it looks like. Powerful blend of pumpkin puree and extracts naturally exfoliate dead skin cells to help clear away impurities, while fruit extracts encourage renewal for a more revived, luminous complexion. It says it contains honey. Full size is 1.2 ounces at $28, and that is what we received. So this is a $28 value right here. So this box already, I mean, the deodorant was half the cost of the box. The body butter was like $18. This is $28. So, I mean, we're already, and we still have 2 more items. So this is a really awesome size. So I'm excited for that. And then we have there we go. This is from Bonnie. It says naturally nourishing, soothing sea collagen sheet mask. Obviously this is a full size. This is $5. Sorry. A 100% cotton mask saturated with collagen-rich serum. Collagen derived from algae has a unique moisture-binding ability, instantly making skin appear plump and smooth. Wakame and Gotu Kala extracts, I don't know if I said that correctly, help increase cell metabolism and collagen synthesis, reduce effects of oxidative stress, and improve skin strength and resilience. This is all skin types can benefit from this mask. It is vegan. So we have a sheet mask. So I'm excited to use that. And we have one more product that is from Uniful Beauty. And this is a mascara. It is a vegan mascara. A mild and long wear mascara free of toxic ingredients and preservatives for healthy eyelashes enriched with organic oils and waxes. Full size is 9 millimeters, which is $22. And that is what we received. So we have the full mascara. It actually smells really good. It's got a good size wand. And I like that it doesn't seem clumpy or anything on the wand when I pulled it out for the first time. So I'm excited to try that. I love mascaras, so that is great. So we got a mascara, a sheet mask, the chocolate body butter, a deodorant, and then the pumpkin peel for our face. And I mean, the mascara is $22. The sheet mask was $5, so that's $27. The pumpkin peel mask was $28, so that is $65. The body butter was $18. That's $83. And then the deodorant was $12.50, so that's $92.50 is the value of this box for $24.95. And like I said, it's all natural, organic, healthy products. And you see it's a great variety from deodorant to mascara to body butter, sheet mask. It's all kinds of stuff, which is amazing. So I will make sure to leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. I think this is a great box. It kind of, in a way, to me, is almost like, you know, BoxyCharm or some of those that are around the $20, $25 mark, but the value of the products is much higher. But these products are natural and, you know, vegan and good for you, which is awesome. So again, I will leave a link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you received this subscription or what you think of this subscription. And I hope you all have a great day. I will talk with you in the next video. Bye.